Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Sorry, trying to get my mic to work here. There we go. Good morning, good morning. Welcome in, everyone. Sorry, I was trying to get set up there. I think we are ready to roll now. How we doing? What's up, Christian? Good morning. Bill, Johnny, Fabiola, everyone is here. Well, not everyone. The OGs are rolling in. Once we get a few more people, I got a couple things I want to talk about. Pretty cool things, so. Good morning, Susan, Josh. Non-farm payrolls gave us a nice push up. The previous day high and pre-market high right together. Perfect time for some questions, though. I'm ready. I finished the Grizzology update, so I should be dropping it after a session this morning. I think I'm gonna have. I'm not for sure. That's a good question. Maybe some sushi. I mean, data strategy looks decent. You all know how to play it if you like. I still got one more update for Grizzology I'm working on. It's one of something I haven't really talked about, but I got a few things coming with this update. Mostly, the main thing being the added confirmation on the supply and demand. Oh, the update is not for the data strategy. It's just for Grizzology. The session. Appreciate that, Bill. He says, how do you improve on perfection? Yeah, I had to hit a pull day today. I usually hit legs on Wednesday, but like I said, I got my workout schedule off on Sunday, Monday. So. Appreciate the follows. I'm gonna do some more back testing on our Asia trading strategy. I found a solid strategy, and it's for silver. So it looks like it may be happening. We may be trading Asia together as well before long. Silver's no joke though. Even on the micros, even on the micros, it's $1,000 per point. I believe, if I understanding that right. Nick says first session tonight. We'll see how if I do, I'll announce it on my Instagram for you all. But I'll let you know once I feel comfortable with the back testing results. Then I can just walk you through my strategy we're gonna use And you all can share the strategies you use as well if you like. We can talk about them as well. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Fighting off a sneeze. Good morning, good morning. I am ready to make some money. I lost 600 yesterday on that trade that we took. No, that was my actual heater, but it is nice and warm in my office. I'm ready to trade. We got less than 9 minutes until open. So, any questions? 2,300. We could watch that for sure. 25,300. We have the VWAP midline and that whole psych number there. I like it. All right, Team Bull. Not much longer. Hopefully we can catch a winner today.
Hoping so. We need to. We need a nice one and done. That's what we need.
Yeah, a nice 100-point trade.
That's it. Is that too much to ask for?
I would say the data strategy could be in play today, but not something I call out. You all just have to handle that yourselves.
I think you call it out.
Every day I call out the data strategy, my stress level goes up 10 times.
Call it out. Call it out. Or you text me and I'll call it out. I'll take the heat for it, baby. I want the heat.
Remember what happened when I asked you to text me for a trade, you know?
Bro didn't forget.
Got it written on a sticky note on my computer in front of me.
Bro, so I ain't forgotten. Bro, so I didn't forget.
The data strategy, I think I have a video on my YouTube. It's a
Hey, that needs to come out to play.
this is a strategy I created for
Play
big
Miss
moves.
15.
Hold on a sec. Let me mute. It's just a strategy I created to catch big moves off data. Once the market opens, basically everyone. So this type of trade could go to zero, and you ideally you want to take it with options, okay? QQQ options, whatever. If you take it with futures, just realize there could be some drawdown, okay? I recommend it. I created it for options. But basically, that pre-market high, once we push up off the open, you start a very small position of puts at the money, and looking for that move back down to sell, basically. But I usually the way I do it when I take it, I usually hold it to 11:30ish, 12. Even plays out. I mean, even if it's in a drawdown, even give the move time to happen. But you have to position for zero, because whatever you buy with options, it could be a complete loss if it just trends up. I'm not saying it will be zero when you close it. I'm just saying only use money you can live without. Good morning. There's a video on my YouTube about it though. It could be a ripper day though. That's quite the move up. Any questions? Share the live, everyone. It's almost time. Let's get it rolling. Good morning. My stomach is growling like crazy again. Any questions? We got plenty of time here. Turn my heater back on though. Good morning. Yeah, you all better get the coffee ready, whatever. It's almost time for the market open. It's almost time to get rolling. I'll check them out. Appreciate it. I don't know, Justin. I don't even know how we would tell that this early on, to be honest. Share the lives, everyone. It's almost time. Well, Spartan, the data strategy is in play. If you want to try that, you know how that works. But other than that, I'm looking for a trend. I'm just gonna play it by eye, I guess. Oh yeah, I'm giving some funded accounts away at the end of this live. So some evals rather. Gonna give some evals away at the end of the live today. Do not let me forget like I did yesterday. Good morning. Make sure my Tradevate's muted so I don't scare everyone with the order fill. Oh yeah, we are ready to roll. Remember, it's been a tough couple weeks. We have to manage our risk. We have to focus on execution, not P&L, everyone. Let's get through this tough week together. CDP, stay in here with us. if you all feel the need to revenge trade or about to go on tilt, let's talk about it in the chat. We could easily stop that, right? Together, just simply talking about it. We know better. All right, let's do this, everyone.
Let's have a nice day together, everybody. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, choose DOD, and let's get it. How do we get money?
The only bounce I'm watching right now is if we pull back to like 25,300. Oh.
Oh, what should we get our next day expiration? What do we got?
Oh, we hit that pre-market high.
Getting the options chain all pulled up in case we gotta mess around and rip some options. It's always an option. Get it? Options. Always an option. Always an option. Delta, get it? Get it? Don't you get it? Delta, get it? Please.
What's up, everyone?
Nolan thinks my option jokes are funny.
Welcome in, everyone. I'm just watching. The dashboard looks good for the data strategy, at least, but I want a big, nice trend move as opposed to that. I just like to catch a big move above above that previous day high, pre-market high. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Sorry if I'm missing some of you coming in saying good morning. I locked in on the charts. Dave, I would, honestly. Good morning, Kayla. How is everyone this morning? You all doing well? Hope life is treating you well. If anybody tries the data strategy, let me know how it does for you, okay? If anybody tried it. You can't, sorry if I can speak.
Sense of humor is optional equipment.
I was trying to read what Team Bull was saying here. Give me one
That was
second.
moving off the open too. I was kind of hoping we'd move down first on Tesla, then move back up above pre-market high, and then take a retest of pre-market high. Grizzly.
I know it. Hopefully everyone listened, but
Hey, Grizzly Glow.
you hear me? Hello? Oh, it's not working.
Wonder if Bro took the data strategy.
I took it. No, sorry. I hope everyone listened. I was trying to fix my speaker. It keeps kicking my mic off.
It can hear you. They definitely weren't speaking.
No, I didn't call it out. I'm just saying. I was trying to talk to you about it.
Oh. I looked at it, I was like, uh-oh. Data strategy. Flip those highs. Oh, woo! Let's get it every day, today, everybody. Oh my gosh.
Let's see that 300 area, Danny. I agree with you. That 300 area looks good for a bounce. 25,300. That fair value gap. Maybe even the overnight high at this point, but we'll see. No, I just was recommending the data strategy to everyone this morning. I don't like calling it out. It's just too much of a headache walking everyone through it. Completely free video on my YouTube to watch about it. Oh. Let me know how the QQQ options go for you. Let me know, everyone in chat, if you took the data strategy. The OGs already know. Took your first trim for it? Nice. Imagine we get low a day or a pre-market low out of this, that'd be wild. I'm not sure if it will, I'm just saying. Make sure you hit the follow. I go live every morning. Art of Home. I appreciate the feedback. Now, let's see what happens. Don't let your trades go red if you did take the data strategy. Because I would love to see a nice trend up today. I usually same day. It's what when I do day trade option, I use same day. What do you all like? What expiration do you use for options when you trade them for like SPY, QQQ, SPX? Doma, nothing that we've called out now. Three days. I like same day. I don't know. I know it's risky, but once you get into the money, they rip for less premium. So. Asia high bounce. Good morning, everyone. Everyone waking up finally, joining the live. Yes, you can share it. Share the live. Run up the likes. I'm gonna try to catch us a trade. I'm not sure if we'll see chop today. We'll see. I may be wrong. Tomorrow, and tomorrow may be our best trading day after NFP gets, we got NFP out of the way, but we'll see. Yeah, Josh, I like that 300 area. Watching this area down here, Team Bull, if you can see my screen. It's 25,300 area for a possible bounce. Nice, Brittany. What'd you make that off of? The data strategy?
Arguably a 2-bar on Tesla. It's just first scan of the day. It's a little sketchy. Let's see.
Where's my? You can hear me here, right?
But doesn't really give us much leeway.
It kicked my mic off again.
See how it works out. If nothing else, for some experience.
Team Bull, I'm watching this bounce area still. 25,300.
So I was kind of watching too.
That kind of. I have no idea why it keeps kicking my mic off. Every time I mute, it makes my mic change. Thanks, Paula, and good morning. So we have a Fed speaker at 10:15. Welcome in, everyone. Glad you're hanging out with me. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. I will do my best to catch a winning trade today.
All right, see what we get today. We are 10 minutes into the market. No trades for me. No trades for me. Typically it takes me, but I'm just hoping that we don't get stopped out in 15 seconds like my first two trades went.
Jadon, he's
Back-to-back trades.
I'm not making fun of this. We laugh about it, but Jadon's taken 2 trades this week, and they just as soon as he got in, they just stopped him out. It's the worst kind.
My final trade yesterday was really nice for those of you who stuck around the live.
Like they just stopped him out
And then
instantly.
going back green, I caught a 60-point winner. I held the whole thing. That was the only possible way I was.
Any questions? Share the live, TikTok. Let's get it rolling. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We shall see. Nice, Justin. Hopefully you make it back. I like the 300 area for a bounce. That being said, this week has been tricky. This week has been tricky. New Grizzology update is dropping after we finish the live today, everyone. So you all have to update Grizzology. Added extra added confirmation on supply and demand when it confirms. Nice clean Grizzology without having to, it's only gonna say Grizzology up here. Keep it clean so don't clutter your chart. What else? And I'm working on a big update for it, but that will probably drop either next month or sometime in second quarter. What is it, Bill? blocked? I'm sorry, I missed what we was. You got a payout last week and requested another one yesterday. Nice. It's awesome. Who blocked it, Bill? Oh yeah, I was just talking about trading the personal account during the Asia sessions once I get our strategy completed. It's looking good though. I think we may be live trading some Asia sessions together real soon. Grizzology says you need to contact author for access. I'm a subscriber. Matthew, try to access it on a desktop. Change your, get some fresh charts, try to reapply. Asia high, it bounced to Asia high, everyone. I don't have it up there, but Asia high is at 25,345.5. Spartan, I found a strategy that's profitable. I just have to fine tune it. $15-minute range is in. Let's I say we get out of this range before we consider any trade. Out of the 15-minute range here.
I'm hoping that we get a move down here and like we get down to maybe like I'd settle for like 100 points, then maybe we just like turn back up.
Welcome in, everyone. Make sure you hit the follow. See if we can. I'm not looking for any trades until we get out of this range, Team Bull. We have to get out of this 15-minute range. I'm not trading it again. As long as we're inside this blue box on my screen, I will not trade. My trade evade's working.
I'm with you, bro. I'm not trading this 15-minute range either. I'm staying ultra patient today. I would prefer my first trade to be down to if we get upside setup and it fits the system, I will take it because that's what having a system is about. But
People who try to get tons of money fast typically end up losing the remaining money they have quit or have left. So just keep that in mind. What's up, Robert? Okay, are you all trading?
come on.
Are you all trading on prop firms or personals?
That's all I want to see is a nice move down below 15-minute low. Retail stuff. That would be great. Choosing DOD, trading smart, trading safe, staying patient.
Some people are saying Tradivate's giving them issues, not closing a position, like they're stuck in position. So be careful. Be careful, Team Bull.
Look around. I don't know Trade stuff.
What is up with Tradivate lately? It's just been on a bad streak, huh? Well, I'm definitely going to lower my position size with Tradivate having issues. One way, as far as I can tell, mine's working. I don't think Apex allows go trading, right? It's hard to keep up with all the updates and everything from all the prop firms constantly. Yeah, I'm still watching 300 area, everyone. It's still valid. We have to get out of this range. Have to before I take a trade. So if you all have questions or have a topic you want to discuss, now's the perfect time for it. Take advantage of the daily Q&As, free education. I don't have a course or anything. I just answer questions on here and try my best to provide some value. Will I trade NQ on Asia? Yes, Bill, I will, but mainly going to be watching silver. We can watch both, though. Just the big stuff, Kayla, basically. Non-farm payrolls, decent. Anytime you see the big moves, basically. Oh, you're welcome. So, Tradivate's working properly now? Is anyone else having issues? It depends. I mean, the orb's not even guaranteed to confirm, you know? We'd have to have a nice high volume breakout candle for me to even consider the orb. All good on my side. Excuse me. Is anyone still in the data strategy, or is you all out? Oh no, Justin. That's not the type of trade you want to be taking. All out. I don't blame you. How can I explain how I use levels that we have marked out? These are all just key levels, basically. Help us not take trades at certain areas or know where to enter. You know, wait on confirmation at key levels. Put in simple terms. So pre-market high and low. The pre-market starts at 4 a.m. and ends at market open. All right, will we get out of this range here? My trade evade's working. So, come on, push down. Oh wow, right down to that bouncer. That's a quick move down. I didn't have time to get in that. Just a massive push down. It's unfortunate. That was the bounce I was looking for, everyone. It just happened so quickly I couldn't tell you all to, he's taking it. And I didn't get in either, so. That was very unfortunate. So. On a good note, we could get some high volume on this candle if we sell back off and maybe look for orb entry. No, I mean, it was unfortunate we had the quick move down. That's what I was saying. I don't like the quick wick down to a bounce area. I like the quick moves, because a lot of times it just blow right past them. And honestly, that being said, I would take a setup like this, off a fast candle, rather than taking orb setups. Because the orbs, a lot of false breakouts. You gotta be very careful. See what this candle gives us. We got 1 minute. It could have some decent volume. We need the volume to come in quickly, though.
I'll enter the shorts here with stops above this candle high.
I'm not taking the bounce, everyone. It just happened too quickly. So. Do we dare try the orb to the downside?
Oh, I'm trying it if we get up there. We get a little higher than it. I'm trying it for sure. I'm not sure we're gonna get it. But so guys, here's the deal.
What are you thinking? The Asia high, the 345 area, 340?
350 to 360. I mean, if you tried 340, you just have a significant amount of risk. I guess sure, if you try 340, you have 60 points of risk to the top. You just have to. It's just a lot. I really don't like to go higher than 50.
Yeah, I don't like going higher than 40.
Yeah, I mean, you can trade micros and just size it down.
Let's see here.
I'm open to it. I might just have to
Fair value
finesse
gap.
this management a little bit.
335.
If we get this pullback up here, I will try the shorts in this area, guys. I will try it up here.
A lot going on in this area. We gotta be careful. Wherever we enter, I'm only gonna allow about 30 points worth of risk. I'm not willing to hold to the top of this candle, everyone. So. I tried a small piece up there, short, light size. Right at the top, right at this 15-minute range is where I got in, right here. Small size of M&Q shorts right there. That being said, 30 points is my risk. I didn't want to talk over Jay Dunn. I'd like to see low day. Bottom of that previous red candle for a trim. Okay. There we go. We can trim here. Let's trim. Take a trim. Move your stops to entry. Nice. Nice trade, everyone. Good job. There we go. Now we're going to have a green week. There we go. That's a nice trade. Bro said, what so quick? I didn't say it quick. We already had our plan ready. We knew exactly where we wanted to end this. Everyone follow along? Did you understand the plan? Did you get in? Anybody make money? Come on now. If you missed it, no FOMO. Nice. I want to see this Asia low for our next trim, or that previous day close, 257. So that would be ideal, 257. See if we can hold off for that. That being said, manage your trade as you see fit. That's what I'm aiming for here for my next trim. I like to trim at key levels once we get, half our position off. This is a fair value gap that we're in, not demand, everyone. I know it kind of looks like it, but you see the FVG here? Where did we enter the trade? We entered right here at the 15-minute range low. Her next, if anybody is anybody still holding this? If I will take more off, we get that 57, even 60 is perfect. Around 60. Let's be honest though, that data strategy was it, yeah. His data strategy was one we should have held. All right. I went and took some off, everyone. In case we bounce here. It's trying to bounce. Took some off in the 70s. Second trim, I'm moving my stop. Where's my stop? I'm keeping my stop on the other side of 300, okay? If we reclaim that 300, we could push up to our entry. Like 302, 303. Move your stop down from entry. Now, don't let it go all the way back to your entry. That would, you know, you don't want to give back all your profits. Yes, on YouTube, Baxter. I'm still in this trade, by the way. I got my stop loss on the other side of 25,003. Or, yeah, 25,300. Good job on that. Good job. I was so light. It'd have to make a crazy move down for it to be a big day for me, but still a good trade. Put me green on the week. I'll take that on a tough week. Or it's only our second trade this week. We didn't catch one on Monday, and I took a $600 loss yesterday on one trade. So one winner, one loser this week so far. Yeah, don't chase, everyone. Once you don't get FOMO, I promise you there'll be 1,000 more trades. Well, not 1,000, but we'll have a ton of more trades this year together. Man, what a took me out. What a nasty trade.
That was fire.
Dude, it's so nice. I knew he was gonna take it, so I didn't want to interrupt you when you got in.
You took it too, bro.
Dude, I took it right at the touch of that 15-minute range. My average was a 15-minute range low. I still got a piece running. See what it does. I got my stop right on the other side of 25,300. So if we break above that, I'll be completely out.
Oh my gosh, look at this, baby. Let's go. We're holding this. We are holders, guys. We are holders.
There's that price target I had, that previous day close, everyone.
I want 150. I want pre-market low. I want death. Holding this trade until 150. Come on. Of course, that's just my plan. You manage your risk as you see fit.
Wow, what a move, everyone.
Let's go. 100-point trade. Maybe you that after the start of the week.
See how important it is to let your winners run? Keep the losses small, let the winners run. Green week. Adrian, I should have said when you're in. I mean, J-Dub took the exact same setup, Adrian. Exact same thing we said we was both watching before it happened. But I can. I'll just yell it out for everyone. crazy move down.
100-point trade, baby.
You're only listening to YouTube. You should have had it then because we caught it on YouTube and TikTok. We made some money. We made some money on here.
Oh no. We're gonna get to that pre-market low. I take back what I said earlier. I made y'all money. Deal with it. It's gonna go there. That was literally money bags, guys.
Oh my goodness. It's going to be a massive trade even with light position. You should be able to see the volume at the bottom here, Alyssa. Make sure everyone hangs out until the end of this live. I know you made your money. A lot of people's leaving because we just had this massive trade. Made their money in running. But stick around. I got something for some of you. I have a feeling the Delta will flip red quickly here. Literally, TikTok's like, okay, I'm done. Massive trade, I'm out. This is my final price target here, everyone. I don't know. I don't have no runners to leave, though. You know what I mean? What do you do when you just don't have any? If I sell them out, what are you talking about, Cornelius? I don't understand what you're saying. Oh, got it. I got it. Took me a second there. All right. I'm moving my stop on my last runner down to that 25,200 on the other side. If we get pre-market low, I'm out. It's just that easy. That simple. Pre-market low, I'm completely out. That's massive. Massive trade. Definitely doing a recap on this trade today, everyone. It's very important you watch it too. I'm gonna, it's the perfect orb example is why I say that. I mean, I wouldn't say, solid example. Wasn't the best volume, but we did have higher volume on that breakout candle. That's it for me. That's it. Trade's over. So how's that small loss that we had yesterday feeling now after that massive trade? You should be really green for the week. Only 2 trades on this live together. We've only taken 2 trades this week. If you've, dug your own hole, I can't help that. But if you've been on this live locked in with us, you're green right now. TikTok, share it live. Appreciate it, future fam. How you doing? I was light, like super light. $900 profit. Awesome. Look at that candle, that volume candle. This is a possible sweep. Let's watch it. Let's watch this, everyone. What can... Actually, I'm just going to do it myself. I'm going to look at the delta real quick. Give me just a second. I got to look in front of me. That had positive delta. This candle did, everyone. Not much. It is plus 103. But it did have positive delta. I see a possible another trade here. I see a possible second trade. Not if we make low day though, that setup will not be valid. If we hit low day here, the second trade I've seen is invalid, okay? No, I was actually gonna look for a short entry. The delta was it was positive, but it was very weak. We did have some high volume there. We just made a massive bag. You're not gonna convince anyone in this life. I was looking for a possible short right here in this fair value gap, everyone. That was the trade I was looking for. Sorry, I was locked in there. But if we make a low day, it's invalid. Well, I guess it doesn't have to be invalid, but... That's what I'm saying, man. Well, we need to set up. What's up, everyone? Welcome in. For those just joining live and missed the trade earlier, I want you to go watch the TikTok. I'm live on YouTube as well, and I'll post a recording after it's done. But we caught a massive trade. Yeah, there's a little bit too much risk to enter right here where we sold off at. You can see it, Alyssa. Can you not hear me? I was talking about it earlier. You cannot see it right here?
Oh, that's awesome, guys.
Crazy move.
Sorry.
This is a crazy move, man.
And we literally mapped that out before it happened.
Yeah, literally. But this is just a massive move too. I wish EverTrade was exactly like this one. Everyone could retire early.
Oh my gosh, that was insane. Just insanity. Oh, that was bananas. That was banana cuckoos. Just craziness.
Right there it is,
I don't even care if we go another 100 points.
Alyssa, right here.
I'm cool. I'm cool.
It's one from TradingView, the volume I use, everyone. You can simply just search it in the indicator.
That was baller. That was awesome, guys. That was great.
Often days like this where we have these very aggressive moves gives multiple opportunities, so I say it's worth sticking around a little bit longer, see if we can catch one more. I had to be out of the trade. I ran out of runners. I could not trim anymore. I ran out of runners. So, good problem to have, though. That's what we do, Justin. We always size down for the second trade. Even when we take a second trade after we have a green trade, the second trade we size down, and we always make sure that no matter what, it's a green day. We're not giving back all our profits ever. Ryan, that'd be wild, wouldn't it? Hope you get it straight, boss DJ. I mean, you can move your stop, but at pre-market low, when we caught the trade way up here, and I expected the bounce, so it would have caught our stop even more so. I would have made less money if I hadn't just got out of the final price target there. Which technically, 25,000 should have been my final price target because that is the closest demand we have. But you know how it can do with that pre-market low. That's usually where the V-shaped reversals can come in. Jay done talking to me? Let me see what he's saying.
Well, the dogs aren't.
What's up, man?
Well,
I missed what you said.
I was saying, you know why I caught that in the trade today? You know what the reason was?
What's that?
It's because I had my favorite steakhouse last night and a big fat steak before.
Oh, nice.
The energy carried over.
That's it, man. Can we just point out that the data strategy is what we should have held, though? Just right off.
Oh my gosh.
Could you imagine? I bet the options are just like up insane. Can someone look at your options? I know you all already sold the data strategy, but those, can you check the current price of the options? What's the percent increase from your entry?
Two-bar could work. Honestly, guys, after this aggressive move, even if I hadn't taken a trade yet, I likely would be done. It could work. You could two-bar here just for HOK.
500%?
You could two-bar here with with stops go like
Jesus.
145. You could 2-bar here on this pop up. Try shorts. Keep moving down. You have to have stops above pre-market high.
I like that pre-market low for a possible entry.
Pre-market low.
Shorts.
Pre-market low, no. Stops above pre-market high. Yeah, you gotta have stops.
I started saying we don't all have your account size for the pre-market high stop.
That's funny. All right, here's the deal, chat. If you are
How is everyone doing this morning? I think I may try that pre-market low reject. What's the stop? 197. If we get up there. Crazy move. I love days like this. Love them. Especially when it gives us the entry like it did. Don't overtrade though. Let's wait on a legit setup here. Have we got the good price action back? Maybe. Tomorrow may be even a better day. We'll see. Josh, that's a win. Not chasing is a win in my book. $25,000 is the only bounce area I like. You can see the zone on my chart. And I'm not convinced we'll bounce there. I'll be careful. Be careful taking the bounce.
Guys, if you miss the trade, it's okay. Now be careful with this 2-bar, guys. We already tested up.
Where should our entry be? Should we try this at pre-market low for shorts? Remember, it should be a green day regardless after a first winning trade. If we take another trade, you have to position accordingly. No FOMO. There's no point in having FOMO. If you got FOMO, go do some push-ups, go for a walk. Wow, just a week it can't get up there. Ooh. This wicked cannot get up there. I don't like the volume on that previous candle, but I haven't looked at the delta to see what's up with that. I'm watching this. Are we going to take this? Are we in agreement here? Or I don't, you know, we can keep her stop at 30 points, but you have to be super light on this if you take it with me. Because I'm already up really nice on the morning. I'm watching for
Running
another
half
trade
points
up
right
here. Around this pre-market low area. I'm going to see if I'm going to take shorts again.
All right.
I'm only going to risk 30 points, though. And it's going to be light size green day regardless after that massive trade we had earlier. Come on, don't sell off yet. 135. We push up to 135. I need higher though. No way it's gonna miss her entry by 10 points. Yeah, I'm looking for a possible short entry around pre-market low. Gonna keep a stop loss at 30 points wherever we get in at. I tried a small piece of shorts there, everyone. Risking a little profits. Light size. Light size, everyone. If you don't like the setup, don't take it this high. I mean, it could. We have sold off quite a bit, so. If you don't like the setup, we're back at our entry here. Feel free to get out of the trade. No stress.
Hopefully you can get a nice reversal candle here at pre-market low. That'd be great.
If I can get low out of this, man, I'll be pumped.
Made 6 racks today. Good luck.
Nice, man. It's awesome.
It's been a while. Honestly, dude, I'm not gonna say sad after the last 2 days, but it's just frustrating. I don't even care about losing trades, bro. What really bothers me is getting stopped out in like 10 seconds.
I hate when I call trade for other people when they take losses. That's what bothers me the most.
Me too, man. It's like I don't care if I lose. I know I can manage my risk, but some people on the live stream are not managing their risk so well. I'm not saying any names, but if the shoe fits, say it. Chat.
I'm gonna move my well. You all can stop at entry if you'd like. If you don't like this setup, no point letting it go red on you.
The main point of today is that usually if you manage your trade, please speak over me. The main point of you guys understanding today's trade is that we have the impulse candle, the aggressive 5-minute candlestick.
Come on, push down for them. Yeah, I got out of this trade at my entry. I'm not playing around with this price action. I'm taking that big trade and walking away. It could print for you all. I'm not saying it's not going to, but I'm not risking it. I don't like how we push down and we're retesting pre-market low. So I'm out.
GSI's firing.
GSI's firing. Oh, I about got a cramp. Well, that's more than likely going to be it.
Your streams for the past 3 months allowed me to officially leave the adult
See here.
industry.
What was I saying? Oh, gosh. Oh, sorry. I got to do the giveaway. That's right. If I could keep my thought process right. All right, I'm going to do a giveaway. So, should we do take profit today? Who was that? I told someone I'd give them an account. I'm about to sneeze. Oh, hold on. I'm fighting off a sneeze. That's all I'm doing. All right. I told you, DEE on TikTok. DM me. DM me your. What is going on? DM me your email associated with Take Profit. You have to have an email linked to Take Profit. You have to have created a Take Profit account. You have to DM me on the Instagram. Sorry, something was happening with my Tradeovate. It's like froze up. I was making sure it closed out all my trades earlier. On Instagram, you can find my Instagram at grizzlytrades.com if you don't know. Break Retest Trader on YouTube. You can have one as well. DM me your email associated with Take Profit. I'm going to pick one more, but keep in mind, if you all do not, if you want to try them out, go to grizzlytrades.com. You got Tradeify, you can skip the evals with Tradeify. You have Take Profit, which was one of the best, hands down. Just use code Grizzly and check out Apex. 3 of the best there. One more winner. Let's see. Let's see. Fabiola, you can have one. Okay, I gave away 3. I may do a Tradeify giveaway tomorrow, if you all are cool with that. Does anybody in here use code Grizzly though? Make sure you use all caps. I appreciate it, for real. I'm just glad we made some money today. We have to have steak after this. Appreciate that, Juliana. Now the second trade was not a loss. I stopped out at my entry. It's just break even. One winner, one break even. The reason I got out, I didn't like it. We sold off. We got in the trade right at pre-market. So 46 technically should have been the average, close to. We made this move down. Hold on. I'm gonna have to get off here. I keep having the urge to sneeze, so I gotta clean my nose or something. It's driving me crazy. But I'll make a recap for you all. I'll catch you all in the morning, okay? No more trades today.